Good
Good
afternoon. Am I
afternoon, sir.
audible, ma'am? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
How did you write your
Yes, sir.
exam yesterday? Okay,
Easy,
easy.
sir. It was good.
See, I sent some assignments, no? That the DPPs.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You keep doing that
Yes,
because
sir, completed.
no. If you are not done, don't feel when we will do and all because now if I start a new chapter for 2 3 days, you cannot do immediately. We cannot get assignment in one day. So meanwhile, you complete by at least today, tomorrow. By tomorrow,
The
you complete
DPP
it
is completed, sir.
fully all. You made the notes that NCERT I gave no because this chapter they are asking many theoretical questions.
That important in that NCRT theory one, no, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Paramagnetic substance, what will happen? They move from a strong field to weak field, something like that. No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mu of paramagnetic value is like that they're asking. Most of the you have your friends, no? Ask them. Most of the people they say you read yourself theory chapter. All the necessary things I already explained. So now it's your turn to do it.
So is this chapter there in JE Advanced or is it only for mains?
It is for mains only, not for advanced. But however, the principles are needed in advanced. That fellow is not asking any question directly, but he's saying in place of a coil, he says a coil and magnet are placed. That means he should not put magnetism. No?
Yes, sir.
So the advanced syllabus is a peculiar thing. They will never give anything from 11th and 12th class books. They go to degree first year, second year, and some research papers, and they pick up questions from that in an innovative way. That is the reason why we say no advanced question we cannot get in any book. Reason is they are not taking problems from the available 11th and 12th standard book because they have many research papers. No? So on that mechanics they are picking some questions and coining by themselves. So we cannot say what is there, what is it. These people are very peculiar people. For everything, for example, suppose Newton's law is going. Strictly speaking, conservation law of conservation of momentum we will teach in where collisions. But that can also be dealt in Newton's laws, no? So there is no
Yes, sir.
clear cut demarcation. So anyhow, it is basically it is not there for advanced. That is sure. Okay, come back to this. Let's continue. See, 99% of the children they are unable to score 240 marks out of 300 in mainstream. See where the mistake is there. Normal paper set. Reason is negligence. They leave that. First thing is that mathematics don't rely on that. You can encourage. Nobody can do that in that specific time in the final. Mains also. Lengthy question they are saying. I don't know. Lengthy means you don't know the shorter method. That is the only thing. See what is magnetic levitation? I'll tell you. I think they gave the marks also, no? No. They gave the marks, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Marks are available.
How much they got? You got?
Sir, I got 92.
See, this is a diamagnetic material. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
This is a diamagnetic material. This is a solenoid. This is a battery connected. The moment the switch is there, what will happen? Solenoid current is going like this now. So you can see that the solenoid will produce a field like this now. See this black color arrows, they go like this. Understood it? Immediately what will happen? Diamagnetic, they try to oppose that now. You can see this.
Yes.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
So that means there is a force of repulsion. force of repulsion means this will try to move away, no? Because it
Yes,
always
sir.
tries to move from stronger field to weaker field. Weak field is there only because lines of force, less number of lines of force means weak field. More number of
Yes, sir.
lines of force are means strong field. Diamagnetic substance tries to go that. So this repulsive force is greater than mg. It will rise in air or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is a levitation means that only. This is how magnetic trains function. You heard of magnetic trains, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
the
Yes,
rail is
sir.
the rail will produce a magnetic field, the rails on the ground. So there will be an upward magnetic field. That repulsive force is more than the weight of the train. So it will be moving in air. This is the principle basically. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
You want to make a what is that? For screenshot, whatever it is. You understood what is levitation means this only.
Yes, sir. One minute.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Done.
sir.
Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? You're taking a screenshot of this, huh?
Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir. Taken a screenshot of
Yes,
the
sir.
same.
Taken, sir.
Taken, no?
Yes, sir. Taken.
Taken, sir.
No, you understood it, you know. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Done, sir.
1 minute. Completed.
We have certain materials. Superconductors. What are superconductors is these are materials with I equals -1. What is mu? So what is mu Arman?
Relative permeability.
Correct or no? You got
Yes,
this,
sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got those.
That means mu will be 0, no? So
Yes,
mu is 0 means B inside must be 0, no?
Yes, sir.
H will is external magnetic field, that like this, no? So you can see that B within the superconductor will be 0. That means the induced field exactly balances the external field. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Any doubt?
No, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Because if you go to the basic principle of this, this is a magnetic field external. Now this is a superconductor. Current will be there. Okay. So this will be the opposing field. No? Agreed. So
Yes,
these
sir.
two are opposing, so that the net B will be 0. Now the same case, if you take a superconducting ring, a block, in that also you have many magnets, no? Electron, it's every electron contributes for magnetic field or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This field will oppose. So you can see that B inside will be 0. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
See, next week you have a cumulative, you know that, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, will you give the cumulative paper or other faculty?
I am only trying to give. Okay. Just want to
Okay,
check.
sir.
This is necessary now. Almost no major part is over now.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Sir, complete.
So you can see that a superconductor finished this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, there are some points where in the temperature variation, remember that? Curie's law. How
Yes, sir.
diamatic material, how it responds. A small equation is there in NCERT. Okay, so that is given in that theory part. You are supposed to follow only
Thank you.
NCERT. You have no right to use your own mind. That is the rule. Okay. That's the reason why NCERT separately I gave. It's better if you prepare one notes for yourself. It will be easy for you to reference.
Sir, notes apart from these class notes?
No man, yesterday I posted something now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some points are there now. I will also write the same thing to save time. I directly gave. I explained all those things you have seen.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Explanation part I have completed. I have given all the important points. But some temperature variation equation, all that is there now. Anything new is there, add on that in the class notes I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
okay.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now the chapters which are running from now on or from this chapter, okay, EMI AC, that is again advanced topic. After that, all these topics are highly scoring. These theoretical concepts, no? Sound, optics, semiconductors, communication systems, wave, diffraction, polarization, all these are mostly theoretical. And compulsory one question is coming from this. Here, one more thing I'm saying. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try to get the 240 marks, 240, 250 plus in mains. Okay, I'm not saying advanced you can't get that secondary. The problem is this year advanced is in October. 99.99% of the children will lose interest in studies. Reason is by that time almost all state results will come. MSET results are released now. Okay, and mains already they
Yes, sir.
got so they that the tempo will die exponentially because that overall this tempo won't be there. Even we will also provide only external support. We cannot take 24-hour classes for them. No? As I am taking for you, regularly we cannot take. Only we can guide them or clear some doubts if they have also. So most of the students are prone to lose interest. It's nature's law. Okay. So unless the student is brought to the campus, kept in the hostel, and tortured, like done by Chaitanya Narayana, they take on a few 10, 15, or 20 students, they'll take to Madhapur. They provide independent rooms for rankers. Throughout India, they bring them and they provide all the facilities and all. But most of the people will lose. So for that reason, if you get 240, 250 in mains, 100% you are on safe side. So after that you can try for advance. You have enough tempo by God's grace, you will get. If you lose tempo, you have one in hand now. That's what I'm saying. 250 plus means 100% it's safe. My advice. Followed. I won't buy a car unless I buy a Benz car latest means in my life I will never buy that car. I will start with at least cycle, no? So after cycle, few days scooter. After that, one small car, slowly add on I can do. So the basic thing is just don't believe all this nonsense that Corona will go away. All this is nonsense. So today High Court has given a judgment. You cannot
Yes, sir.
stop online classes. You can conduct online also. Don't force students to come again. So courts are there. Government cannot do anything. Okay. So why I'm saying all this is this Corona is not in our hands. Okay. Followed. And
Yes,
even if
sir.
Corona exists for next 4 5 years also, if you are from reputed institutions of IITs, you will always have that sheen and charisma. That means always you are accorded as a hero by all companies. Okay, Corona will have effect on this place, small college, engineering colleges. Okay, many have closed. Last year only many closed. This year some more are closing. To be listen at my advice is that so don't leave anything. Why I'm giving every point is my aim is you should score at least 240, 250 plus. Okay, right, come back to this.
Okay.
There is answer 46.
46.19.
46.19.
Hmm. If I take like this is which hemisphere, man? Coming out means which hemisphere? Hopeless fellows.
H sir, BH.
Yes, man. B coming out means which one? Northern or southern hemisphere?
Southern.
B Earth's medical is coming
Southern,
out
sir.
means southern. Ah.
Southern Hemisphere.
Sometimes he won't give that. You have to find out from the nature of the problem. You should know that. Micro Tesla, no?
Yes, sir.
So return this.
Done, sir.
A bar magnet is placed. The magnet is placed in the magnetic meridian, means this is the geographic south, no? Okay. Now, as you know,
Sir, is the answer 4 into 10 power minus 5?
correct. See here, this is B due to the magnet, and this is BH, no? Similarly, this is the south pole, no? BH will be this, no? So at neutral point, say suppose it is at some x distance, anywhere you can take. At neutral point, what you have?
BH is equal to
Hmm, I think everything is there, no?
yes, sir.
Whole cube, no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, got it.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed one.
1 minute, sir.
Immediate. Hello?
Yes, sir. Done.
Note on this.
Completed, sir.
Noted on this.
Noting, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
See, this coil is in which field?
Magnetic.
Tangent cannot remember. It will be in the magnetic meridian, that is south north direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, BH is there. And another one is due to the coil, this is BC now. Now you can see this is B due to the coil and this is BH. And as per the question, what he says, hello, hello?
Yeah, you're looking out for any coaching classes?
No, no, no. So this is the magnetic needle. Okay, he gave anything angle? 30
Yes, sir.
degrees.
30 degrees.
That means this is 60 degrees now. You can see
Yes.
that this and this torques are balanced now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
What is B due to the coil? I into N into 2 pi. I phi by R. Remember, N is number of turns.
Yes, sir.
Agreed? Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
much you got?
132. Yes, sir.
132, so got it.
Visible, no?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Completed?
1 minute. Completed.
1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Completed, sir.
Return this.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Completed, sir.
So is it 30 root 26 microtorrent? Micro Tesla.
30 root 20, 30 root 31 is there. So this is the magnet. This is 60 degrees. No? On the axis of the magnet, here, as you know, this is BR, no? Remember? Do you agree with this or not? Hello?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is BR?
2 m by r.
Remember this?
Yes,
Got
sir.
sir. 30 root 31.
This is 60, this is 60. No? Great. So you
Yes.
have
Sir, I'm getting 30 root 31.
Yes, sir. Same answer. Sir, we need not consider b theta since it will be 0 no.
this data repeated will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Why, man?
Sir, it is lying on the axis. So there won't be field perpendicular to the axis due to the magnet.
What are you saying? On the axis, correct. This is theta, no? On the axis, only BR will be there, correct? Or not? So here you have only BR. On the equatorial line, you have only.
We.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So this won't be there. Okay. So one is BR cos 60, and this is BH. And here you have so B net is nothing but understood this.
Understood, sir.
Sir, I didn't get why are you taking B theta is equal to 0, sir? I didn't understand that part.
Pardon?
B theta part I didn't understand, sir. Why are we taking 0?
See, this is a point not on the axis. If the point is on the axis, what is the value of theta? 0, no?
Yes, sir.
0.
On the axis, you don't have, you have only field in this direction, that is BR, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
On this one, what you have? Only B theta. Check this. The other day we discussed all this.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
along the axis, no?
Yes, sir.
How many you people are observed, no? In your class only. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir,
How many people left means studies only? You can see one by one. They're
Sir, 1 minute,
collapsing.
sir.
No?
1 minute. Right.
Sir, 1 minute,
Like,
sir.
like mosquitoes, you can see once upon a time they should be active members asking that doubt and all. Many are dropped. Means they realize they are not fit for this. So this is the story of any IIT examination. Namesake every college, thousands of people will be there. But the tempo till the final exam, that much hardly in a class 5 to 10 members will be there. Out of that, up to advanced, 3 4 will be there. If we are fortunate, maybe around 15 members for advanced, 25 members for mains. We used to have in physical classes. So that means that real competitors are very few for the person who studies. Out of that lakhs of people who write, the real people who prepare for IIT is hardly 20,000 people, not more than that. India over. Many people are actors only. Just for parents' sake to show off, they'll join IIT. What your son said doing is IIT. Are you doing IIT? You are undergoing training for writing IIT. My child is doing IIT. They'll say, what IIT? So why I'm telling you is, if anybody maintains the tempo with patience, he'll have success. But who will do all this? No other work. I mean, what work you have, you tell other than that. Imagine this is not there. What do you want to do? Tell. What work you have? Are you married to produce
No,
children? No. That work of production of children is not possible. Okay. Are you earning to buy goods and all to the family? No. The other part, third thing is you have to cook and clean the utensils and all that job you should do lifelong. What other things you have? Many people will say, oh, no. Suppose class is not there, studies are not there. Imagine. Just think for a while. What is the other work you have? That too during Corona. We are fortunate that even the Corona is there, everything is coming to our feet now.
yes,
Online, we are booking online. Everything is food is coming. Whatever we need, we are getting online, man. First thing, and entertainment is there, TVs and all. Everything you can talk, video calling with relations, friends. Everything is going on fine. Except studies, everything is as it is. So Corona is a pretext to escape studies, no? Success has only one way, man. Failure has only reasons, nothing else. So avoid all that. Develop a mentality of how to get good rank. That's all. That will save you. That X, Y, Z, they are not studying. Why should I study? The X, Y, Z won't study. Their life will be like that. So why you are bothered about them? Finish this.
1 minute,
1
sir.
minute,
Last
sir.
one. Done, sir.
See, this is the horizontal vertical coil. This is a horizontal coil. Great.
yes, sir.
Due to this vertical coil, no, you will have only BV, no, horizontally.
Yes, sir.
Followed this.
Yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
It's in a vertical plane. No? Then horizontal one, we'll call it
V8.
as. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
This is vertically up now. Any doubt is there till here?
No, sir.
Now this needle is a coil one, no? This is due to coil. B2 is understood this needle will be balanced, which is balanced for equilibrium of needle. What we should have should be equal to BH, no? And B2 should be equal to vertical component of earth, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there till here?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
Now for this, see, read the units what he has given. He gave BH.
Yes, sir. 27
Sir,
amps.
27.8 ampere.
Please read that he gave BH. My question is that he did not give BH.
No, he did not give
That
BH.
you he has given H, not BH.
Yes, sir.
Remember,
Yes, sir.
see the units and be careful. That is what the twist you have in the examination. He gave H. Ampere meter is units of what? Remember?
Yes, sir.
And he gave DIPA.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Now you
Yes,
can
sir.
see is BH. The second radius now is BH. Now from this you can get I1, I2, no?
Yes, sir.
He's asking that one, no? All values are known or not?
No.
What are they?
Follow,
Yes.
sir.
Any exam, man, the real worthy people are civil services is there. 20 lakhs will apply. Out of that, hardly 30,000 children will prepare. That is the status of our education. Children simply they join college, nobody will study, no? Only time pass, that's all. If people really study, they should get at least. The people won't get even local engineering colleges, man. That is the problem. Finish this.
1 minute.
Sir, got it, sir.
What is the value you got I1, I2?
Sir, is I1 equals 0.64?
No, I1 is 0.64.
I2 equals 1.15.
Hmm. Finish this.
Finish,
So
sir.
anyhow, see, you'll get these as answers.
Yes, sir, done. Yes, sir, got.
Got this?
Yes, sir, approximate answers.
Hmm. Is it clear?
Cleared, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chemistry, NCERT, any theory, NCERT, that's all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even advanced also same, more than that. Theoretical, I am saying. Okay. So this is electromagnetic conduction. Okay. So we generally call it the next one, next chapter. Okay. So first we will recollect. So suppose this is an area which is perpendicular to the lines of force. Understood this? Is it clear? So it is
Yes, sir.
understood this? It is measured as this area perpendicular to this. Understood till here?
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Clear.
you can see that n cap is in the same direction. No? Shall I turn this?
1 minute,
minute,
sir.
sir.
1 minute.
Coming Sunday, you don't have this chapter. Okay, the remaining cumulator, right from electrostatic. I posted now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you posted.
Electrostatics to magnetic properties of materials still there. Because from September onward, you'll be having alternate weeks. Mains
Yes,
advance,
sir.
mains advance. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute.
That means n cap must be along B bar. Understood
Yes.
this?
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Now suppose this is n cap. Then what is the flux through this area? B. Area perpendicular to that will be what? A cos theta or not?
A
cos
cos theta,
theta.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember that? So that is the
Okay.
reason why we write like this. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
More generally, we take agreed. Understood this?
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Done.
The dimensions of magnetic flux. Suppose you don't know this. You know this actually. F is equal to BIL, remember? ILB. Agreed? Force is this is the current I. This is L. Area L square. No? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Till here you followed the unit, the dimensional relation of flux. Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is this actually? Energy only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Ampere is what? This is volt only, no?
Yes, sir.
Work by Q, W by Q is what?
Voltage.
Remember?
Yes, sir.
This is only what we call it as Weber. Weber means volt into second. Understood this? Hello?
Yes.
Shall I turn the page?
Can you show the whole page once? Sir, can you show that upper part also?
Hmm?
Can you show that upper part?
Which one, man?
Upper part of the paper, sir, the same paper.
Upper part completed now.
Yes, sir, one line. Read it, sir. Done, sir.
Now it is clear. No?
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You suppose it's a coil. Now you are bringing a magnet like this. Now as this comes like this, what will happen? Flux changes now.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Till here any doubt? Is it clear?
No doubt.
No doubt,
No,
sir.
sir. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Agreed. Remember, the
Yes.
magnet
Yes, sir.
has exchanges. So this coil is on that one, no? So one way is how does the flux changes? By changing B. Now let us see another methodology of flux changing. Suppose this is some field and we are having rails. This is metallic rails. Now you can see if I keep a rod like this and this rod is moved, what will increase, can you tell? This area is changing or not?
Yes, sir.
This area increases. Any doubt?
Yes.
Therefore, what will change? Here, what is changing?
Area.
Area.
Finished this? Clear?
1 minute, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Now, suppose you are having B like this. Now, if this coil is rotated about this axis, what will change, can you tell?
Sorry, sir. Once again.
If this coil is rotated, what will change?
The area, sir, perpendicular to the.
The area won't be changing. Theta will change, no?
Yes.
Area of coil will remain
Sorry, sir.
same.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. I thought the perpendicular areas.
Hmm. Here B is not changing, total area is not. Theta is changing, no?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Yes, sir.
So from these we can say that, therefore, Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
We can say that rate of change of flux
Instantaneous.
understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
That means these two may exist, or these two may exist, or these two, all three may exist. Only one may exist. Any of this may happen. Flux will change.
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Shall I
One
turn
second.
this?
1 minute. Done, sir.
1 minute. Completed, sir.
Completed.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose both are moving like this. Will flux change?
No, sir.
X remains
Both
same,
are-
no?
Yes, sir.
This is X, no? Then area of coil is also not changing. No?
Yes, sir.
N cap and B cap angle also theta.
Sir, it's out of focus.
Hmm?
Focus is changing very fast.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
can you
Clear.
tell, suppose this is the coil, this is the magnet. No, this magnet is rotated like this. Will flux change?
No, sir.
So this is rotated. Even this is also rotated like this. Will flux change?
No, sir.
No, sir, it will not change.
Why?
So since in this arrangement, the magnetic lines of force, they are symmetrical. So even if we rotate them, the flux will not change.
The lines of remain same. No?
Yes, sir.
So here we have a coil like this. This coil is moving. Will the flux change? B is not changing, no?
No.
Area is not changing, no?
Yes, sir. It will change if it moves out of it.
Through which B lines. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes,
And
sir.
theta is not changing, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, flux is not changing. Understood this? Is it clear?
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you understood this, when flux changes, when it is not changing, this chapter is over. Only on this only we'll rotate the whole story, just like free body diagram. No other thing is required. Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. 1 minute, sir. Writing.
Right, we'll meet in the next class, okay? See, I'll just put a message, but if possible, I'll take class from 7 to 9, okay? No
Okay,
problem
sir.
no, for you people.
No, sir. No problem.
No, sir, no problem.
Sir, today, sir, 7 to 9,
Why?
8 to 9 maths class.
Math class is there.
Yes, sir.
When it won't be there, some Tuesday, something is there. No?
Yeah,
Not
but
for you.
today he's taking.
Today regular timings only sir, not change.
Today?
Regular timings only sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Okay.
actually today class supposed to be from 8:30 to 9:30, but Sharma sir told today also he will take from 8 to 9 only.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no problem. Right. Note this.
Yes sir, noted. Yes sir.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Take care, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye sir. Yes, sir.
Write fast, man.
Completed, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Done, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.